show out a little bit. Let's have some fun. Let's win on three. Everybody got me? Hands up right here. We win on three. Stay right here until we break it down. Win on three. 1, 2, 3, win!
Execute, man, okay? Skill guys, you gotta see the signals. You gotta see the signals. Get your eyes around and see the signals.
Sean McKenzie, the ball carrier, down to the 22-yard line.
Okay, y'all got me?
Block him, block him, block him!
Let's go, forward!
Jamie not gonna hold. That all he gonna do is grab.
Nah, Bradshaw about to score, bro. Watch. Bradshaw about to score on the... Oh, tap him.
Let it go! Let it go! Throw it! Hey, everybody up, everybody up.
Good. Make sure we get y'all done a good job of personnel in and out. Okay. Make sure you communicate that. Looks like we're getting lined up good. So, all right, just keep that going. Stay focused.
If he's off at 5, you guys should be diving to his inside shoulder. Go drive right at his inside shoulder so you can bring it fast and flat.
I like what we're doing, okay? Just a couple things we got to have a little bit more urgent. Be urgent and assertive, okay? Y'all got me?
And we're going to have to bring our own. And that's up to us to bring it. And it's not us to rely on somebody else. And the execution level and what we're doing, I'm fine. I like it. And what I don't like is the emotion level. Our emotion level. Guys on the sidelines. Yeah, I can't hear a word anybody's saying. We may play in front of 20,000 people on a Thursday night. But you know what? It counts as one, and we got to find a way to get the job done. Bring your own emotion. Focus on 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom.
Hey, y'all missed it completely. You gotta redo it.
Let me clap it up first, all right? Let me clap it up. Let me clap it up. Let me get 2 claps to the Ric Flair.
That guy sitting at 10, you better go get big on the mic. You with me?
That's how you supposed to hustle. That's how you hustle.
First, you get bounced around the records and play so straight up and down. Get your pads down when I go spill the guy. Go attack his thigh or go blow that whole thing up.
Let's go, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.